Oh yeah. Well, I'm recording right now, so.
Can't you see that it's just raining?
Tell them the news.
Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, see, like y'all totally just missed it. It rained, and Lubbock hasn't even had this. Like, what is it doing now? In like months. So I'm gonna go play in the rain.
There she goes. Oh, this is hard. I need a real camera. Where did you go? There she is, behind the tree. That's my camera.
Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside.
Yeah, this was pretty exciting because again, as you said, it really hasn't rained for a long time.
Mama made a
And Kara, you're a dork.
I know. But everybody loves me for it, so what?
Bye guys. Kara, say bye.
Bye. Adios, amigos.
Au revoir.
Then we could pretend it all the time, Lord. And can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside. Ain't no need, ain't no need. Can't you see, can't you see? Rain all day and night.